Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change your password of your Instagram account on app step by step. First, go to Instagram app on your phone. Here you are seeing the home screen. Tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Tap on the icon with 3 lines in the upper right. Then tap on the settings option. Tap on security option. Then tap on password to change your password. First of all, you need to write your current password. Then you write your new password 2 times to the options below current password section. After that, tap on the icon in the upper right. Thus, the process of changing your password on Instagram app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.